In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view invoices in Lovable Dev. We'll start right from your browser. Open your preferred browser and search for Lovable Dev. When the results appear, look for the official website. Make sure the address looks correct and secure. Check for the padlock icon and avoid ads or look-alike links. Click the official result to head to the site. Once you're on the Lovable Dev homepage, find and click Sign in. Use your usual login method to access your account. After you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen. Depending on your setup, you'll see either your profile icon or your workspace name, typically in the top left or top right corner. Click that. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding. Your invoices are tied to the workspace, so being in the right place matters. Next, open Settings. You'll usually find this option inside the menu that opens after you click your profile or workspace name. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the menu. It may be listed alongside other account or organization options. Inside Settings, look for the Workspace section. Under Workspace, click Plans and Credits. This is the billing area where your subscription details and usage are managed. It's the gateway to your payments and invoices. On the Plans and Credits page, locate the Manage button. Click Manage, then choose Invoices and Payments from the options. This action will take you out of the Lovable Dev interface and into a secure billing portal. You'll be redirected to the Stripe customer portal. Stripe is the trusted payment platform that processes billing for many apps. Here, you'll see a complete list of your past payments associated with the workspace. Each entry typically shows the date, amount, and status. To get documentation, open a payment and use the download option to save a PDF invoice or a receipt. Invoices are best when you need a formal document for accounting, while receipts confirm that a payment has already been made. If a new tab doesn't open, check your pop-up settings or any browser extensions that might be blocking it. Also, if you don't see the payments you expect, verify you're in the correct workspace back in Lovable Dev and refresh the page. And that's it. You've navigated from the dashboard to your billing records and downloaded your documents. If something looks off, like missing entries, double-check your workspace and permissions. When you're done, simply close the Stripe tab to return to Lovable Dev.